Summer season is here and sun is at its peak, so applying sunscreen forms a layer that prevents sun rays to reach the skin and damage it. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nidhi. आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ मेरी टॉप फेवरेट सनस्क्रीन शेयर करने वाली हूँ which will be perfect for this summer season. PURESENSE is a brand that values inclusivity and individuality. So here, I am presenting their two newly launched sunscreens that would turn out to be your BFF this summer season. This one is the SPF50PA+++ matte gel sunscreen with niacinamide and aloe vera. It has the goodness of aloe vera gel that is going to soothe your skin. The other one I have here is the SPF50PA+++ Glow Cream Sunscreen with niacinamide and saffron extracts. It leaves you instantly with a glowing skin. While the natural antioxidants present in saffron extracts help to prevent damage and skin darkening and leaves your skin glowing. It has a high level of sun protection, SPF50PA+++, which shields you from UVA and UVB rays. It's easy to blend and leaves no white cast, so you just have to blend it well and see the glow. Wow! I love how lightweight and non-greasy both are, and I'm so glad to have them this season. They are absolutely perfect for the summer. This matte gel-like formula is just perfect to blend and it leaves no white cast and it is great for the summer. One can even wear this over the makeup. As the summers are here, I'm gonna show you how to protect yourself and incorporate sunscreen in your daily routine. Let's start with the SPF50PA+++ Glow Cream Sunscreen. This comes infused with saffron extracts and niacinamide. I like to apply my sunscreen with the two-finger rule as it helps me to understand how much quantity I should be using. Not just it's easy to blend, but it also smells great. Simply apply it all over your face and you are good to face the sun. Look at that instant glow it's giving. I mean, wow. It's super lightweight and not at all greasy. Also, it leaves no white cast. It's also suitable for all skin types. Next, we have the SPF50PA+++ matte gel sunscreen. This comes infused with aloe vera and niacinamide. I'm again repeating the same two-finger technique, taking the gel sunscreen with my two fingers and applying it all over the face and neck. While applying sunscreen, never miss out your neck as it is also one of the most sensitive areas and it also gets exposed to the sun most. I'm loving the texture. The gel texture makes it super light, which works perfectly for oily skin types. This one is absolutely my favorite one. So here I am presenting my saviors for the summer season. Go get your sensational fix soon.